Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 3.3.4, Converting Text to Columns. Let's say that you have a list of names, such as this list here. These have been sent to you, and you want to put them into a spreadsheet with the first name and the last name in two different columns. Your source data has them together. Now, one option is to retype everything. That's the extremely long way. The better way is to highlight your text. Under the data menu, find Split Text to Columns. And you can decide what is separating. In this case, we have a first name space last name. We tell our spreadsheet that it's a space, and it has automatically split our data with first names in the first name column and last names in the last name column.